Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of Social Studies of class 5th. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, today in this video, I am going to give you lesson number 17, book exercise and question answers. So not further delay, take out your book and open lesson number 17, page number 133. First of all, multiple choice question. First question, earthquakes are caused as a result of movement within the earth crust. Second, coastal bed plantation can reduce the effect of cyclones. Now come on next page. Major causes of floods are both A and B. Drought is caused due to prolonged absence of rainfall. Fifth, landslides are caused due to geological weak material. Now come on next here. Tick and wrong. First, earthquakes are human made disasters. Wrong. Second, in our country, cyclones are moderate in nature. Right. Drought affect rain-fed crop. Right. Fourth, a volcano is usually a conical mountain or hill. Right. Fifth, landslides may block flow of river for some times. Right. Now come on next, fill in the blanks. Here, first question is, natural disaster cause widespread loss of life and property. Second, earthquake is a sudden violent shaking of the ground. Sudden and strong winds cause major damage. Fourth, drought is caused due to prolonged absence of rainfall. Fifth, landslide damage transport links. Now come on next page. Match the following. 4 elements of emergency disasters management are PRRP. Second, accurate forecast of earthquake is here still not possible. Super cyclone in Odisha come on 29 October 1999. Volcanic eruptions cause landslides and earthquakes. Fifth, landslides may cause have the settlements. Now come on, question answers. Here your first question. What are earthquakes? Mention the main cause of an earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden violent shaking in the ground. It is caused as a result of movement within the earth's crust or volcanic action. Second, here, explain the term cyclone. What are its effects? Cyclone is a system of powerful winds rotating inwards to an area of low barometric pressure. Its major effects as follows. Number first, strong winds, tornado or flooding cause the maximum loss of life and property. Next, sudden and strong wind cause major damage in weak construction. Third, high winds and rains destroy the standing crops. Now come on next. Here, define flood. Explain any 4 possible precautions to reduce its risk. Flood is an overflowing of a large amount of water beyond its normal confines. It leads flooding of dry land. Possible precautions for floods. First, hospitals, schools, community halls should be built in safe areas. Second, switch off power connections. Third, always drink boiled water. Fourth, do not enter the flooded region of unknown depth. Fourth question, explain the term drought. Mention its major effects. Drought is caused due to prolonged absence or deficiency of rainfall in a particular region. First, drought affects rain-fed crops and people who are dependent on agriculture. Second, it also affects animals. Third, increase in poverty and reduction in quality of life. Now next, fifth question. Write short note on the following: volcanic eruptions, landslides. Volcanic eruption. A volcano is usually a conical mountain or hill having a crater or vent through which lava, rock fragments, hot vapor gases are erupted from the earth's crust. Now B, landslide. Landslide is the sliding down of mass of earth or rock from a mountain, hill or cliff. So students, your question answer and book exercise of lesson number 17 is over. You have to do it carefully. I will meet you in my next video with another chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.